Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So students, we were learning our chapter 1, understanding our relations. We already completed 4 parts of this chapter and today we are starting part 5 of this chapter, and this part is named as heredity. So let's see what is this heredity. The physical characteristics are inherited in the children from their parents and grandparents. So in previous part, who resembles whom, we have seen that the physical characteristics of a child actually resemble a lot with different relatives or different family members. So here you can see that the physical characteristics are inherited in children from their parents and grandparents. So the parents and grandparents are the ones from whom we get all these physical characteristics. These characters are known as hereditary characters, and this phenomena is called inheritance. So here we come to know about a new word, that is inheritance. So this transferable things, transferable characteristics are called heritable characters or heritable characteristics, and this process or this phenomenon of transference is called inheritance, that is transfer of characteristics from generation to generation. So dear students, this is quite important that some characteristics, some physical characteristics especially, get transferred from previous generation to next generation, and this process of transference from previous generation to next generation is called inheritance. And these characters, these characteristics which got transferred from previous generation to next generation are called hereditary characters or hereditary कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. तो बच्चों यहाँ आपने देखा कि कुछ ऐसी शारीरिक विशेषताएं होती हैं जो हमें अपने माता पिता या हमारे जो उनके माता पिता हैं यानी दादा दादी नाना नानी वहाँ से प्राप्त होती हैं, और ये जो प्रक्रिया है गुणों के स्थानांतरण की, इसी को हम आनुवंशिकता कहते हैं या हेरिडिटी इनहेरिटेंस कहते हैं. तो ये बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है आपको याद रखना कि ये जो प्रक्रिया है एक पीढ़ी से दूसरे पीढ़ी में जिसके द्वारा गुण आते हैं या गुणों का स्थानांतरण होता है, उसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, आनुवंशिकता कहते हैं या हेरिडिटी कहते हैं. लेट्स मूव. Some characteristics are acquired from the surroundings and these are not inherited. So besides the characteristics which are hereditary or which are inherited from previous generations, we are having several other characteristics which are acquired from the environment and they are not inherited. तो बच्चों यहाँ ध्यान रखना है कि कुछ ऐसी विशेषताएं भी हम में होती हैं जो हम अपने वातावरण से अर्जित करते हैं, प्राप्त करते हैं, ये हमें पिछली पीढ़ी से प्राप्त नहीं होती हैं. तो आप ध्यान रखेंगे कुछ ही गुण आनुवंशिकता से प्राप्त होते हैं, अन्य कई विशेषताएं जैसे आपका ज्ञान, जो कुछ आप अभी जान रहे हैं, ये आप अपने वातावरण से अर्जित करते हैं. लेट्स मूव. So in the field of heredity, now we are going to learn about two different persons or two very famous scientists, and you have to remember the names of these two. First one is Gregor John Mendel. So here is the picture of Gregor John Mendel. You should remember his name as he is known as father of genetics. So he actually given a very important contribution in the field of heredity and genetics. Gregor John Mendel has done a lot of experiments on the pea plant and he formulated the laws of inheritance, and for this reason he is known as the father of genetics. So dear students, You have to remember the name of Gregor John Mendel, who is known as father of genetics. Why he is known as father of genetics? That first of all, he conducted various experiments on pea plant, and the results of these experiments were published in the form of laws of inheritance. तो बच्चों ये ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल हैं और इन्हें आनुवंशिकी का पिता या आनुवंशिकी के जनक कहा जाता है। इन्होंने ही सबसे पहले मटर के पौधे पर बहुत सारे प्रयोग किए और उसके बाद इन्होंने आनुवंशिकी के कुछ विशिष्ट नियम बताए। So now move to the next person. Who is he? Let's see. So the other famous person in the field of heredity is Dr. Hargobind Khurana. So here you can see the picture of Dr. Hargobind Khurana. He is also very famous. Dr. Khurana has written many research papers regarding determination of the inheritance of new characteristics. So he has written various research papers on the determination of inheritance of new characteristics. For his excellent work, he was awarded the Nobel Prize. So you need to remember that Nobel Prize is the biggest prize in the world in the area of science. Here as we can see, all of these two individuals worked in the area of science, especially genetics. So Mendel is known as father of genetics or inheritance, and Dr. Hargobind Khurana, you need to remember that he got a Nobel Prize for his work in the area of जेनेटिक्स। तो बच्चों डॉक्टर हरगोविंद खुराना का नाम आप ज़रूर याद रखेंगे। इन्होंने ही जो है आनुवंशिकी के क्षेत्र में बहुत अच्छा शोध किया और उस शोध के लिए इन्हें एक बहुत बड़ा पुरस्कार, जिसे नोबेल प्राइज़, नोबेल पुरस्कार कहते हैं, वो प्राप्त हुआ था। सो हियर we are at the last of this chapter. We have completed this chapter. So what we learnt from this chapter, let's see. First of all, there are different reasons due to which the families become nuclear or joint. In the starting part, we have seen what is a nuclear family and what is a joint family, and similarly in next part we came to know about this thing, that there are different reasons due to which the families remain or become nuclear or joint families. Then the second thing we learned, in nuclear and joint families, all the family members play different roles. So whether you are living in a nuclear family or a joint family, you have to play your role. So there are some responsibilities which are given to every member in a family. So you as a part of your family, as a member of your family, have to carry some responsibilities. You also have to bear some responsibilities. Let's move next. Some people adopt children and do their upbringing. So this is also important. The some children adopt some children legally. So they adopt the children and they do their upbringing. The next thing, Gregor John Mendel is known as the father of genetics. So that we learned recently only, in this part only, that Gregor John Mendel, he is known as the father of genetics. Then the last thing we learned, Dr. Hargobind Khurana was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work regarding inheritance of new characteristics. So the second name which you need to remember is Dr. Hargobind Khurana, and you have to remember that he was awarded Nobel Prize as he worked in the area of inheritance of new कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स। तो बच्चों इस पूरे चैप्टर में हमने कई सारी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें सीखी हैं, जैसे परिवार, एकल परिवार या संयुक्त परिवार क्यों बनते हैं। उसके बाद हमने ये जाना कि हर परिवार में हर मेंबर या हर सदस्य को कोई ना कोई कार्य, कोई ना कोई जिम्मेदारी को निभाना होता है। हमने ये भी सीखा कि कई स्थितियों में माता पिता बच्चे को गोद लेते हैं, उसे कानूनी संरक्षण प्रदान करते हैं और फिर जीवन भर उसको जो भी आवश्यकता है अपने बच्चे की तरह वो उससे रखते हैं और उसको ध्यान रखते हैं। उसके बाद हमने जाना ग्रेगर जॉन मेंडल के बारे में और डॉक्टर हरगोविंद खुराना के बारे में। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस वाज ऑल about this chapter. We have finished the chapter 5, but we will be continuing the practice questions of this chapter in our next part. So we will be meeting in our next part, part 6 of chapter 1, that is understanding our relation. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.